Welcome to Social Robotics Talk. In the previous lectures, we have learned basics of ROS2. We have learned various command line tools and the basic concepts. In this video and the upcoming videos, we are going to go into development mode. So basically in ROS, you can create your own packages, your own applications. So for that, you have to know how to build your packages, how to install them. We will dive into those details in the upcoming videos. In today's video, I want to focus on rosdep. As it says, ROS and DEP stands for dependency. So rosdep is really a utility that is provided to you to assist with building your ROS packages. So it's basically a tool that you can run from the command line before you build your own package. So let's think of a scenario. Let's say you have a package that you just created, an application. It's possible that your package might depend on other packages for it to work. So in those cases, the packages that your package depends on have to be properly built and installed before you build your own package. rosdep comes handy because it is able to identify what the dependencies are of your package by looking at package XML, which we'll talk about in the future videos. And then it's able to install those dependencies for you so that build of your package is successful. In this video, I'm going to refrain from using many terms that we haven't delved into yet. So in this video, I'm going to focus basically on installing this utility called rosdep. So you can read details on this page, try to understand what rosdep is. But for today, we will just focus on installing this tool, this utility. Okay, we can start here, rosdep installations. You can either follow instructions here, but then there is also a handy set of instructions on this page. I will link both of these in the video description. So let's start with just updating our system. So this is just standard, nothing specific to rosdep. So I'm just going to run this. Okay, my system is up to date. Now I can install rosdep by copying this, and we can paste it here. So it says zero upgraded, zero newly installed. So that means I already had it installed. Yeah, so I already had it installed. So in your case, you may not. So just run this and install it. And then the first time you are going to be using a rosdep, you actually have to initialize it, and you only have to do it once. So you might notice that my screen looks a little different because I had some error, which I'll explain. But let's just initialize it. Okay, you will see that it says wrote a file. Okay, and then it says rosdep update. But let me explain you one thing. So last time I ran this init, I got an error that there already existed a file. So like I said before, you only have to run it once. You don't have to do it over and over again when you are trying to utilize this rosdep. But let's just do rosdep update and finish our installation and initialization. Okay, all right, now you can run this sudo apt upgrade again if you wish to. Okay, so now the installation initialization is done. You can use this command rosdep install before you build your packages. We are not going to run that today because we don't have a package and we haven't really discussed about how to create a package and things like workspace. We haven't done all of that, so we're going to skip that. So what we just did today was to install this rosdep utility and to initialize it. When we move on to creating a package, then we will use this utility by basically running this command. So again, this is for future lectures. That's all for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.